Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Avalanche's price chart. And if you remember, specifically in the previous video, we were all the way down here and we said, right now, this level is not broken yet. So we need to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up off of the lowest low in here in order for us to be able to say, maybe this correction has indeed come to an end and now it's time to go up. So what happened? Right in here, you could have been absolutely optimistic in AVAX. Why? Let's go on 15-minute chart and count some bips. So what is happening starting from this point? I think we can all agree this is a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure, and maybe the end of our wave 4, it's gonna be right in here, followed by that. Sure, you can say maybe this is an A, B, C zigzag. However, I do not believe that's the whole story. No, I think in AVAX we are having an ABC running flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this important high and then another move down into wave C. And in this phase, we are not going to take the low of our A leg. And in terms of the sub waves, ABC down into A, ABC, or maybe WXY up into B, and yes, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And sure, this can be ABC down, do not get me wrong, but I don't think from here moving forward we are having impulsive structures. No, I think there's a very high chance this is yet another ABC on the upside, and this is a strong move down. And I promise you, if you go on some lower time frames, let's actually do it. Let's go on 1 minute chart and zoom in more. Yes, we can absolutely say from this point, maybe this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into 1, correction for 2, another move down into wave 3, correction for 4, and yet another move on the downside into wave 5, completing the sub waves for, you know what, an A, B, C running flat. Now, in Avalanche, if we are bullish, I think we can interpret this structure as a 1, 2, meaning from this point to about here, this is 5 up into 1, running flat into wave 2 to about this point, and at the moment we are on our way to have a very strong move into wave 3 and 4 and 5, and I fully believe that in this phase we are going to take the highest high for the first target, about $26.50, but I'm really hoping that we're going to go quite a bit higher than that. So according to our bullish scenario in Avalanche, we are on our way to complete the subwaves for this wave 3. And since one very important characteristic of a wave 3 is being quite a strong move up, we can expect this move up to continue a bit more. Now, in the interest of being objective, I think now we should check out a bearish possibility as well. And that suggests that we are having, starting from this point, just a very simple A, B, C zigzag and not a 5 wave. And this scenario, I want to be very clear, is not my primary case, okay? As long as in AVAX, this is the key, we are not taking this important slow down here about $22.50. I think we should go with the bullish possibility as our primary scenario. And sure, if we get a strong move down, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here, and then we take this low, at that point, we are going to change our tone a bit and say, you know what, this was an ABC, meaning our move down, maybe it's not over yet, and we are going to visit the lows in here once more, but maybe at that point, we're going to reach to about this level between $19.50 to about $20.50. But again, pay attention, please. As long as we are not taking this low, I believe we should go with the bullish case. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AVAX's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.